Let me show you how you set up your Fantasy Premier League team. So if you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. So when you hop on your account like this, tap on the Fantasy here. Good. And now you pick a team. Good. Give your team a name. So let's give it our channel's name. Okay, bro. And now let's accept. And now let's select the team name. And now we have 100 million in the bank. We need to get players here. So you can auto pick by just tapping on this here. Now you have 9 million left, and yeah, you can see the auto pick there. You can reset it and then you go to the market yourself to get your players by yourself. So let's just tap on the goalkeeper, first one, and let's select the goalkeeper. So you can see when you see the danger there, it means the person is injured. Edison is outside, Becca is injured. So now let's select this keeper, and now let's select Arsenal's goalkeeper, which is going to be very much expensive. Be checking the price. You can see 5.9, and you can see the money in your bank is reducing. So that's it on how you pick a player, just simple and easy like that. And after that, you save it, and there's it. That's your team there, K-Bro and the rest. After setting up your team, just join some leagues here. Just tap on the join leagues. You enter the code. If your friend sends you a link, you can just tap on the link and then you redirect you to the app, and then you join the league, something like that. So when they start playing, you're just going to see players get the points then. So that if you're on a table, you are going to see yourself pop up on the table, move from top to down, just like you see on Premier League tables. Yeah, very much simple. So if you are new here, just give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.